Astonishing facts about the human body that will blow your mind. The human body is a marvel of engineering, a sophisticated network of interconnected organs, tissues, and cells that operate in perfect harmony to support life. From the intricate workings of the brain to the astounding tenacity of the immune system, our bodies are continuously executing feats that even the most advanced scientists would find incredible. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about astonishing facts about the human body that will blow your mind. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 15. Humans are covered in stripes. The human body is covered in invisible stripes known as Blaschko's lines. They are cellular remnants of our progression from a single cell to a fully developed human. Number 14. The neurotransmitter serotonin can be found in the intestines. Our gut contains 95% of the neurotransmitter serotonin. In fact, the gut's 100 million neurons are so vital to mood that it's sometimes referred to as the second brain. Serotonin-regulating medications are frequently associated with gastrointestinal problems. Number 13. Only humans have chins. Humans are the only animals that have chins. While you may believe that every animal has one, this is simply what humans refer to as the bottom of the head. In reality, a chin is a distinct bone structure that extends forward from the lower jaw. Some specialists believe elephants and manatees have chins, while others contend that they are such fundamentally different structures that they should not be compared to humans. Experts are still unsure why people evolved to have chins. The cause could be related to eating or speaking, or it could just be a side consequence of another valuable characteristic. Number 12. Humans have a strange bone called the hyoid. The hyoid is a strange bone found in humans. This is the only bone that does not unite with another bone. Instead, it is attached to muscles and ligaments. The hyoid resides between the jaw and the voice box and serves to maintain all of the lower mouth muscles in place. It also helps with swallowing and speaking. Number 11. People who have more hair and any belly buttons are more prone to lint. Hairy people with any belly buttons are more likely to experience belly button lint, which is caused by fibers that rub off of garments over time. Your stomach hair grips and pulls the fibers into your belly button. Number 10. Fingernails grow faster than toenails. Your fingernails develop faster than your toes. Fingernails normally grow around 1/10 of a millimeter every day, while toenails develop at a rate roughly half that of fingernails. There is a relationship between the pace of nail growth and the length of the adjacent bone. This indicates that your longest finger's nails develop faster than your shorter fingers. Number 9. Breastfeeding will not cause breasts to sag. It is a frequent myth that breastfeeding causes the breasts to droop. Pregnancy may change breasts in that they stretch and heal differently. However, nursing studies have confirmed that it does not cause the breasts to sink. However, smoking is a behavior that will persist. Number 8. Hands and feet contain over half the bones in an adult body. With approximately 27 bones in each of your daddles, an old slang term for hands, and approximately 26 bones in each of your plates of meat, another old slang phrase for feet. These appendages account for more than half of an adult's bones, which total approximately 206. But this isn't always true. Feet are largely cartilage at birth, and bones grow over time. They don't totally harden until humans reach their early 20s. Number 7. Goosebumps are pretty much useless. Goosebumps are commonly related to the release of adrenaline in the body, such as when experiencing a very powerful emotion. They used to be significant when individuals had a lot more hair on their bodies because goosebumps would lift that hair and make a person appear larger when they were in danger. However, they are no longer a useful feature. Number 6. Spleens help the immune system. The spleen is unexpectedly not completely useless, despite popular thought up until the 1950s. It is safe to have your spleen removed, although it does benefit the immune system. While blood is in the spleen, The immune system produces antibodies to combat microorganisms in the blood. The fetus spleen also produces red blood cells. Number 5. A fetus's face forms in the first 3 months after conception. During the first 3 months following conception, a fetus face fused at the top of the lip. That is, the dent under the nose, known as the philtrum, provides proof of a person's time in the womb. Number 4. Babies don't just see in black and white. A newborn baby has poor vision. However, it is not true that their vision is limited to black and white. In truth, if there is a lot of red, they can recognize it, but only if it comes before gray. Newborns have about 5% of adult visual acuity, but this increases quickly, and it only takes about 6 months for them to see as well as an adult. Though there are other eye exams that babies can teach adults about that are concentrated on subtlety. A baby, for example, can distinguish between monkeys until the age of 6 months, although older babies and adults cannot. Number 3. Some people are born with 3 kidneys. Some people had a kidney split while in the womb, so they were born with 3. This makes them ideal candidates for donation, yet many people are unaware that they have 3 kidneys. Number 2. A person's large intestine can stretch 5 feet, and their small intestine can stretch 20 feet. The intestines are quite long, with the small intestine stretching to roughly 20 feet, and the big intestine reaching 5 feet. Your intestines contain the surface area of 2 tennis courts, but these Swedish researchers have reduced it to the size of a studio apartment. Compare that to a blue whale, which has intestines that are nearly 700 feet long. Number 1. The stomach can hold up to 50 fluid ounces. The stomach may not be tennis court sized, but it can carry between 16 and 50 fluid ounces. It's worth noting that a Trenta size at Starbucks contains 31 fluid ounces, which is more than many adult stomachs can theoretically hold. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.